Optimizing Folk CRM for your sales team is crucial if you want to streamline workflows and make better use of your data. Whether you're new to the software or looking to unlock its full potential, this video will walk you through the essential steps for setting it up and using it effectively. Stick around until the end because I've got some exclusive bonuses for you that'll help take your sales efforts to the next level. Folk CRM is a flexible tool designed with simplicity in mind, making it a great option for sales teams of all sizes. One of the key features is its focus on managing contacts and tracking communication, which helps you stay organized and keep track of important interactions. To optimize it for your sales team, the first thing you'll want to do is clean up your contact list. Having clean, organized data will ensure you're not wasting time sifting through outdated or irrelevant information. Once your contact list is ready, setting up customized pipelines is a game changer. Folk CRM allows you to create multiple pipelines for different sales stages, which can be tailored to fit your team's specific needs. Custom fields allow you to track important data points that are unique to your business, helping your team understand where each lead stands and what action to take next. Another powerful feature to optimize for your sales team is automated workflows. This feature allows you to automate repetitive tasks, such as follow-up emails, task assignments, and moving leads through stages of the pipeline. Automation saves time, reduces the risk of errors, and ensures no lead falls through the cracks. Folk CRM also integrates with other tools like Google Workspace, Slack, and Zapier, so your team can work within the systems they're already using without jumping between platforms. This integration makes it even easier to sync your contacts, communicate internally, and push data from one tool to another. Now, if you want your sales team to be most efficient, take advantage of the collaborative features Folk CRM offers. Sharing contacts and pipelines within the team allows for better communication and ensures everyone stays on the same page. Having a central hub for communication and tracking eliminates the silos that often exist in larger teams. For any sales team to succeed, they need to be able to analyze performance and make data-driven decisions. Folk CRM offers reporting tools that allow you to track key metrics like deal progress, lead conversion rates, and overall team productivity. These insights will help you identify bottlenecks, streamline processes, and improve sales strategies over time. To get the most out of Folk CRM, consider setting up custom views. Custom views help prioritize what's important for each team member, whether they need to focus on hot leads, closed deals, or follow-ups. With custom views, every salesperson can have a dashboard that speaks to their current priorities, improving efficiency and focus. As you start to use Folk CRM, take the time to train your team on the ins and outs of the platform. While it's intuitive, having a clear understanding of all the tools and features will ensure everyone gets the most out of the system. Once your team is familiar with the software, you'll see significant improvements in productivity and sales efficiency. And don't forget to optimize your email templates. Folk CRM lets you save and use templates for quick follow-ups, meeting reminders, and personalized outreach. This reduces the time spent drafting emails and ensures consistent messaging across your team. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can access Folk CRM completely free through the first link below, with exclusive bonuses just for you. You'll get access to the full suite of features to optimize your sales team and improve overall performance. So if you want to take your sales team to the next level with Folk CRM, start by cleaning up your data, setting up custom workflows, and automating your processes. By optimizing the CRM for your specific needs, you'll save time and close more deals. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for your exclusive and extended free trial. Let's optimize your sales efforts today.